A realm shaped by vengeance and regret.
Hi everyone! This is a scene from my latest short film that I made as part of the Ultimate Unreal Engine course from the Bad Decision Studio. Let me show you how I create this fight in a scene using mocap animation, Unreal Engine, and all for free. Come on, let me show you. Let's go to Mixamo, log in with your account, search for one of the characters, leave it as it is, T-pose, FBX, just download it. Okay, now in Unreal, I already have my Mixamo characters, but I will show you how I did it. Drop your Mixamo FBX into Unreal Engine. This window will pop up. Keep it as it is. Just make sure animation is not selected. Then click Import. Now let's go back to Mixamo to get some animations. You can look for the Great Sword library and find an animation that can work on your scene. Once you find it, go and download it. Choose your frame rate and make it without a skin. Select one more animation so you can combine it both in Unreal Engine. Inside Unreal Engine, drop your animation FBX from Mixamo. This window will pop up. On the skeleton box, select your Mixamo skeleton. Keep the rest as it is. Then click Import. Now you have to do a retargeting to transfer all these animations to the MetaHumans. I already have my MetaHumans character. So just right click on the animation that you want, find Retarget Animations, and this window will come. On your target skeletal mesh, search for your MetaHuman skeleton. Select it, select the animation you need, and export it on your files. Keep everything as a default. My advice is to have a folder for this, to keep everything organized inside your project. Now, if you have some issues like this, and eventually this one, then you can try this method. But first, I want to extend my gratitude to all the great people in the Discord community. Thanks to everyone for the amazing support. In the Retarget window, go to Export Retarget Asset. Save it in your folder. It will have a similar name like this one. Open it, and you will see Mixamo and MetaHuman skeletons, the source and the target. Select the animation you need, and see how the root bone from Mixamo is transferring animations to the MetaHuman. We don't need this right now, so to stop this, go to Global Settings and find Enable Post. Then deselect it. Now it's ready to go. You can export your animations. Back to the scene, take your MetaHumans and add them into the sequencer. Erase the control rig layers. Go to the MetaHuman body, click on the plus icon and go to animation. Select the retargeted animation you want and it will be placed on your sequencer. To bring a second animation, on the animation layer, click on the plus and add another animation to combine it. Bring the animation clips closer. I just realized that I have to set up my sequencer to 24 frames per second. Now, right-click on the second animation and go to Match with this bone on previous clip. Select Root Bone. Done. Now both animations are in the same place and is acting as one. Move to the left the second animation layer so they can intersect, creating a nice transition from one to the other. Now, let's do the same for the second character. Here, let's try the opposite way. We will match the first animation with the second one, doing the same. Right-click. Now you will go to match with this bone in next clip. Then select root bone as well. Done. You have your second character animation. Now let's do some blending for smooth transitions on the combined clips. You can do some transformations to move the character for better positions. Next step would be to add cameras, find the best angle, play with depth of field, and make it look more cinematic. Now you can refine the actions, combining different animations using exactly the same method. Once you are happy with the result, something that you can use to level up the fight scene is a slow motion moment. This is very simple. Go to Add and find Time Dilation Track. Add it to the sequencer and play with the number till you get the slow motion you like. Add some keyframes and done. You just created a cinematic fighting scene for free with Unreal Engine. I hope this is something that can help you on your Unreal Engine project. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care and see you around. Bye bye.